Amazing how our brain turns two pictures into one. When we bring them close to our face, the split giraffe becomes whole, the chick ends up in the egg, and the cheetah catches its prey. You can even split the image with a card and see that our brain still combines them, even though the right eye sees one thing and the left eye sees another. Here's another example. If you roll two paper tubes and bring them to your eyes, each eye will see its own image. But if you connect the far ends of the tubes, the images will merge into one. The brain receives two different pictures and glues them into one three-dimensional image. Now for a trick. We keep one tube and place our hand next to it. We look into the distance and a round hole will appear in the hand. But which eye is our dominant one? Let's take cardboard with a hole. Extend our arms and look through it at any object. Now let's close our eyes one at a time. If, when closing the right eye, the object remains in the hole, then the left eye is dominant. And if when closing the left eye the object shifts, it means the right eye is non-dominant, and vice versa. The dominant eye is responsible for precise aiming, for example when targeting. The non-dominant eye helps see the world wider and complements the picture.